check silver price in 5 days and expect a beating. This is from Reuters, and it says, Fed Chair Powell to headline Jackson Hole meet. And we need to watch this closely because it is coming to hit silver in a big way. Look at this. The annual gathering right here, the annual gathering of global central bankers offers Powell a chance to give an updated assessment of the U.S. economic trajectory. Everyone is watching this with bated breath because there's a big difference between a quarter basis point cut and a half basis point cut. This is a Fed watch tool right here. I'm going to show you in a minute how this is coming at our price of silver. We need to watch this closely. Look at this confidence, 76.5% confidence of a quarter basis point cut, a 23.5% confidence of a half basis point cut. I'm going to show you how this is coming for our price of silver. First, check out Cryptonomy. This is a platform that I use, and I'm so excited about it. I think you're really going to like it. It's great for diversifying investments. I'm going to show you on your screen how I use this. It's a venture fund. It's a training organization. It's a crypto credit company. You could use this platform as a crypto wallet, a staking platform, or you could become part of their flagship product, the Launch Pool, which is closely tied with the company's venture operations. I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to use this. You could see that just from going to the wallet here, you could deposit all these different coins. You have BTC, Ethereum, Ethereum Classic, BNB, TRX, XRP. You could deposit any type of coin. And you could see that I'm mostly using Bitcoin for this platform. So I have 0.034 BTC right there. I'm going to show you how you deposit. You go to the interest account right here, click that, and check out these numbers. These are your options. You have flexible up top here, fixed, launched pool. If I want to do flexible, look, APR 24.72%. I click deposit. I could see my amount again here for a BTC. I'm going to put in 0.034. Let's say I'm going all in. I click continue and deposit. So I'll get an APR of 24.72%. It's really strong. Look at this. Watch this when I click fixed. Look at this. Up to 153.8% APY. This is why I'm so excited about this platform. I click deposit. Again, let's say I'm going to go all in. I put 0.34 BTC. And now down here, I could choose my time period. 1 month, 3 months, 6 months. Let's do 12 months. 76.9%. I click continue. I say that I agree, and I deposit it. So I'm really excited about this platform. As a silver stacker, I always like to see a safe store of wealth, and I like that I can lock in at these rates. And these are strong rates. So check out Cryptonomy. I really think you're gonna get a lot from it. You can see that I've been using it, and I'm gonna leave a link in the description below. I'll leave a pinned comment. Check them out. They're really a strong platform. And let's get back to the dichotomy that we're going to experience with this price of silver. We want those rate cuts. We want rate cuts, of course. We want access to loans. We want home buyers to have mortgage rates that they can afford. We want cash. But when this happens, when rate cuts happen, people take more risks. And this is what's coming to hit our price of silver. Look at this. This is from investing.com, and it says, we expect Chair Powell will lay out a case for an orderly withdrawal of monetary policy restrictiveness in a speech at Jackson Hole. And look at this. By orderly, we mean 25 basis point rate cuts rather than 50 basis points. And this is from economists at UBS. Look here. We expect three, this would be exciting, we expect 3 25 basis point rate cuts this year, one at each of the September, November, and December FOMC meetings. Now, when this happens, we're going to see a big shift because, yes, we want to have access to this cash. We want to have access to loans. But when that happens, people pull from the safe store of wealth of precious metals. They don't need that safe store anymore, and they take more risks. That hits our spot price that we watch so closely. People take risks in entrepreneurial moves. They go into a mortgage that they've been waiting to get. They don't need that safe store of wealth. Now, you and I, we're silver stackers. I keep my head down. I keep my eyes focused. I am all in. I've been doing this for years and years. Nothing's going to pull me away from my silver stacking. But that's not what's impacting our price of silver. It's not you and I. It's when these rate cuts drop, people don't feel that they need that safe store. They take more risks. And look, it's not just me. This is from MarketWatch, and it says right here, History shows investors should keep a tight leash on risk once the Fed cuts rates. History shows this is what they do. This is what happens, and that impacts our price of silver. The other way we're going to see our price of silver impacted, and this is probably a 24-hour period prior. So we're looking at Thursday, right? Powell is going to give his talk on Friday at Jackson Hole, and Wall Street, typically about 24 hours in advance, they make their move first. They feel overconfident. They're chomping at the bit. Wall Street's going to make their move, and that's going to have a 24-hour lag. Then we'll see silver move. That's the process, and that's the sequence we typically see for the price of silver. So we need to watch this Friday, because this is really key to our spot price of silver that we're always looking so closely at. Check that out closely, and check out Cryptonomy. I really think you're going to get a lot from this platform. I like it a lot. I'm going to leave a link in the description below. I'm going to leave a pinned comment with a pinned comment with the link for you, and check them out. You see how I use this platform. I think it's great. I really am getting a lot from it. And watch for Friday. I will see you guys on the next one.